Hello, Facebook. All right, it just started. We are
Live from KTL Restorations. Safety first.
give them a minute and let them hop on. So we are going to fire it up live. The Lethal Cat. This is the first time she has been started since her engine fire back in 2014. So Josh is prepared. I don't know how well some people will take that, but it's a joke. It's a joke.
Hopefully.
So hopefully
Yeah,
it's a joke.
We haven't got fired up yet.
So it's been a long day, and we thought that we would be on before now, but welcome to the world of restoration. This is how these things go. So it's taken a little bit more time today to get prepared, and I think they are ready.
Yep.
Y'all ready?
Yep.
All right, let me get this camera down.
Alright. It's very blurry.
Hold on, I'm gonna. There we go. There we go. All right, so we got
Yeah.
Kurt. Say hey, Kurt.
Hello. Now we've already crunk it over to get the fuel up, so we're not.
Crunk it.
We crunk it.
We crunk it.
We get crunk in here.
Sorry, I'm kind of moving a little bit. All right, so if you guys are watching us live, hashtag live in the comments and tell us where you're watching us from. If you're watching the replay, then hashtag replay. Say hey to us. All right, so hey Johnny. Johnny's back there. He's going to be actually turning the key. And then Josh is over here on the side. Say hey, Josh.
Hey.
Well, here goes nothing.
Oh, we're going.
They've pumped it. They've prepped it. The fuel's in. The light. All the fluids are in.
All right. So we got the fuel up to the carburetor. So we're gonna give it a little bit of gas and. All right. Let's see what we got. Move the distributor a little bit. All right, crank it. I think the distributor's out. 1, 2. I'm all the way up against the water pump. Turn the key off. I don't want to be lit up today.
No. So for those of you that are hopping on, what we were telling you is this is the first time that it has been fired since 2014 when it was in an engine fire. So that's the last time it was cranked. Well, hello, Newport News, Virginia.
Yeah. Who's that? Rich Taylor?
That is John Shoemaker.
Oh. Yeah, we're gonna move it one way. We'll try it this way first. See if that works. Is Chuck on there?
I have not seen Chuck yet. Hello, Guy. How are you?
Alright, it'll either go or not go.
If you've ever done a Fired Up live with us,
Ready? Yeah.
In and out.
Oh, we got a battery back up. Yeah, sorry.
that might work.
You got your fire extinguisher? Yep, it's right here. Hold on. We got carburetor. The bowl's leaking. I need to get my wrench. It is leaking. Let me get my screwdriver.
This is where other people take a commercial break and we don't get to. Cut to commercial.
Now you gotta deal with us the whole time.
Yeah,
Yep, whole time.
just got to look at us.
You want to give me a clean rag?
What, do you want a t-shirt
one of-
rag?
yeah,
or,
one
I
of
got
the
it.
box.
Gosh, I'll go get it.
Kind of wipe this up. Gasoline likes to stain things.
Yeah.
I got one stuck down in here because waiting for this hose to seal up. Okay.
Hello,
Alright,
Joy.
Ready?
Hey, George from Alabama. We got some Alabama love on there from Greening Auto.
Go ahead. Go ahead. I went the wrong way. Which way did you go? I went this way. Key off. Unhook that back. See where it lands at. Okay, Johnny.
Ready?
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead, right there. It runs. Go ahead. Hand me my other flathead over there. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. That smog pump does not sound good. Go ahead, start it. Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Mike, if we had smell vision, you could definitely smell it right now.
Oh, yeah.
I think I go.
Yeah, God, that's why they cut to commercial. They cut out all the stuff, you know, all the other behind the scenes stuff, the crap that happens. We can't do that. We just show it all to you.
Yep, I think we're gonna have to. We got a fuel leak.
We got a fuel leak.
Yeah, a fuel leak.
But you got to see it.
The rubber hose
It does
is
run.
not wanting to cooperate.
But it does run.
But it does run because
It
you
does
heard
run.
it.
Mm-hmm.
And this is why we have to do
Very
it.
first
Because
time.
we have to tweak it a lot.
Yeah, you don't get to see that on TV. Not often, anyway.
So Chuck, for the first time since 2014, she has started. And now we have a whole lot of work to do.
Yeah, gotta get it tuned in. Sounds good.
So this will be about the most of the car that you will see until October 30th. Okay, thanks, John, for checking. I have a couple of other people checking. Appreciate it. No 30-minute episodes here. This is the real thing. They have been on this since this morning. We had a little hiccup around 3:30, which is when we wanted to go live. And they have been working on that ever since.
I'm just gonna leave it down here.
Guy, this is the original engine. Everything on this car is number matching, and it has been rebuilt. So it was taken to the machinist. It was completely taken apart, and then Kurt rebuilt the engine. So it was all done here at KTL in-house.
Transmission, rear end, everything.
So it's an all number matching car. It's just in 2014, it had a fuel leak. It was in the garage of the client's home. He went to fire the engine and it caught on fire. His fire extinguisher, which if you saw Josh with the fire extinguisher, that is,
Up to date.
it can be a joke now that we're in 2018, but at the time he had a fire extinguisher and it was expired. So when he went to use it, it didn't work. And the fire department did the remainder of the damage to the car when they pushed it out of the garage.
So that
They
is-
tore up the hood, they tore up the whole
Fender.
front grille, they busted out the windshield, and that's where majority of the damage come, other than the heat damage where the dash was melted, cluster was melted.
So that goes for anyone, really.
Yeah,
Check-
but
check on your fire extinguisher.
fire extinguishers, check your fire extinguishers, please, if you have, and make sure that they are up to date.
Yep.
Hello, John. Anything else, dear?
I think so. We just
No,
gotta
I gotta work on some
tweak some stuff.
leaks.
Some leaks and tweaks?
Some leaks and tweaks.
All right.
This thing.
Dialed in. Yeah.
Well, we don't know when we will be back on live. I know we will be live on October 30th from Las Vegas, Nevada. And other than that, we might give you guys, you'll get a couple of sneak peeks, and that's about it. You won't see the full car until that date.
Yeah.
So keep following the build. We're going to give you guys some little hints. And George said also learn to use the fire extinguisher. So if it is in date and you don't know how to use it, it's not going to do you any good. Yeah, and now we are going to cut to commercial. So we'll see you guys later.
See y'all.